Hey, welcome to my new channel. If you're building your own house and want clear, no-nonsense plumbing how-to-os, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you step by step installing the Delta MultiChoice UMBX-HF shower valve. This is a shower-only valve. Use UMBX if you need a tub/shower combo. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's get into it. Tools and parts needed. Delta MultiChoice valve, UMBX-HF. 1/2 female to PX adapters, X3 for valve ports. Teflon tape, 6 wraps. Plus joint compound, great white. Crescent wrench, Phillips bit, and drill/impact driver. Tape measure, pencil, level/plumb bob. PX pipe 1/2. PX drop 1/2, elbows 1/2 crimp rings. PX crimping tool and go/no-go gauge. 1/2 plugs for pressure testing. PX cutter, crescent wrench. Step 1. Find the shower center and mark blocking. Measure from the back wall to the center of the drain to find your shower center line. For this base, the center line landed 16 inches off the wall. That's where the valve center and shower head should align. Mark it on the studs and install blocking as required. Step 2. Block placement heights. From the top of the shower base, mark 42 inches up to the center of the first block, valve height, and 79 inches to the center of the second block, drop ear/shower head block. For the shower head, set the blocking back about 3/4 inch from the stud face. For the valve, set it back about 2 inches or flush with the back of the stud on a 2x4. Step 3. Prep the valve. We'll install the 1/2 female to PX adapters on each male threaded port. Wrap Teflon tape clockwise. Same direction you'll turn the adapter to tighten. I do about 6 wraps. Add a light coat of joint compound on top of the tape for extra insurance. Thread the adapter on and tighten snug with a crescent wrench. Don't over tighten. Orientation note. Valve faces up. Hot is left, cold is right. Step 4. Mount the valve to blocking. Hold the valve at your 42 mark and make sure it's plumb. Use the screw holes on the valve body and attach with screws and Phillips bit. Make sure the valve is sitting the correct setback depth per earlier blocking note. Confirm hot left/cold right. Step 5. PX routing and fittings. I use 1/2 PX and a PX drop to reach the valve. If you need to redirect, use 1/2. Elbows to get the line to the adapter cleanly. Cut PX squarely. Slide on a crimp ring. Insert the fitting fully. Then crimp with your tool. Always check the crimp with a go/no-go gauge, safety and leak prevention. Step 6. Pressure test prep. Before closing the wall, install the 1/2 plugs and pressure test system. Pressure testing will locate leaks now and avoid a reopen later. But be sure to test your local codes required pressure and time. Step 7. Final checks and trim note. Once pressure tested and leak-free, you can finish the wall and install Delta's trim kit for the manufacturer's instructions. Double check handle operation, hot to cold, and confirm clearance for escutcheon and shower arm. Use quick subtitles for Teflon, clockwise, hot equals left/cold equals right, and don't over tighten. Keep each major step to a 20 to 45 second section for pacing. Alright, that's the Delta MultiChoice UMBX-HF installed and ready for plumbing connections. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and the bell. Drop a comment if you want the pressure testing video next, and check the description for links to the parts 1 used. Thanks for watching my new channel. See you on the next one.